Why are bees extraordinary? Before you keep bees, you have to understand a beehive isn't just a box full of insects. It's a living society made up of thousands of individuals that somehow act as one. Bees don't have a leader telling them what to do. They don't have plans, maps, yet somehow they build homes, they find food, and they defend themselves. And they make decisions. They do this through a unique form of communication that's far more advanced than we realize. One form of communication is movement, the waggle dance, and body language. The waggle dance is one of the most famous ways that bees communicate. The forager bee finds a good source of food, she returns to the hive and does the waggle dance. The direction of the dance tells the bees exactly which way to fly, and the waggle tells them how far away it is. Movement isn't just for foragers. Nurse bees use body positioning. Receiver bees respond to returning foragers by meeting them at their entrance. Queen bees use movement and posture to signal presence and health. Scout bees use the waggle dance to signal where they may have found food or a new home. The stop maneuver, as we like to call it, is quite interesting. It's where if one of the foragers is doing a bee dance to indicate where they found good foraging, and another bee sees that and knows that there's a problem in that area, like wasps or humans or whatever it is, they'll run into that other bee and press their head against it and stop that bee from doing the dance. And any other bee that notices that stop will not go to that area. Bees also communicate through vibration. The comb acts like a giant speaker system, and the bees create vibrations by shaking their bodies and buzzing their wings, pressing themselves against the cone. These vibrations are used for bees to get attention, to start and stop work. For example, worker bees use the vibration to stimulate activity in the hive. The queen bee uses signals to prevent rival bees from emerging from their cells. Scout bees use vibration to cause excitement and bring attention to them. The hive is humming with information. Pheromones, the chemical language. One of the most important ways that bees communicate is through pheromones and chemical messages. These aren't smells in the human sense, they're signals, and bees are incredibly sensitive to those. Here are some examples. Larvae release signals that tell the nurse bees when and how to feed them. The nurse bees respond by producing food and adjusting the care that they're giving. The worker bees release alarm signals when the hive is threatened. The foragers release sense signals that guide the hive when they find a food source, and also to guide bees to their new home. The queen's mandibular pheromones also inhibit the workers from creating queen cells and therefore rearing queens when it's not necessary. Pheromones can calm or excite the colony. Pheromones that are released is exactly what keeps the hive balanced. Roles in the hive. Every bee has a job. What's amazing is their jobs change with age and need. Larvae signal their needs. Nurse bees care for the brood. Worker bees build, clean, and maintain the hive. The foragers connect nectar. The scout bees search for new homes and food. The soldier bees defend the entrance. And the receiver bees process incoming food. And the queen manages the hive through pheromones and egg laying. It's a very special kind of communication that is unique to bees. For good beekeeping.